Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of chapter 5 geometry for class 4. Please watch part 1 video for first 15 question. Link is given in description. Please watch the video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Question number 16. Find the perimeter of shaded part of a given figure. So here we have to find out the perimeter of the shaded part. So perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So here this 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. Option D is correct answer. Question number 17. Which of the following figure have a line of symmetry? Here option A, B, C, we cannot make a line of symmetry, but in option D we can make line of symmetry so that it make two parts which are exactly similar. So here option D is right answer. Question number 18. Study the given graph. Which of the given figure show the pair of intersecting line? In the given graph, this first figure, they are parallel lines. In figure 2, they are intersecting. And in figure 3, these lines are also intersecting. So only figure 2 and 3 are intersecting. So here B is correct answer. Question number 19. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Perimeter is the addition of the outside length of the given figure. So here these 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19 and 19 plus 5 24. Perimeter is equal to 24 centimeters. So here D is correct answer. Question number 20. Which of the following figure consists of the exactly 6 faces? Figure A, this cone has only 2 faces. Option B, in cube there are total 6 faces. Up and down 2 and outside 4. So 6 faces. Option B is correct answer. Now next section is everyday mathematics. Question number 21. Karan plans to cover the boundary of the park with tiles. What should Karan know to make sure he buys enough tile? He should know the perimeter of the park so he can cover the boundary of the park with tiles. So here B is correct answer. Question number 22. Varun made a shape by folding the given cardboard along the dotted lines. Which shape did Varun make? He folded along this dotted line. Then he will make cube. C is right answer. Question number 23. Sahil had a field of shape of rectangle. He has field of shape of rectangle. The length of field is twice its breadth and the breadth is 80 centimeter. If the breadth is 80 centimeter, the length will be twice of 80, means 160. And this is rectangular, means this side is 160 and this side is 80, and perimeter is the total of all sides, means 80 plus 160 plus 80 plus 160 is equal to 480 meter. So here B is correct answer. Question number 24. An ant is crawling from point A to point B using the staircase. How much distance will it crawl to reach point B? Now this side is 6 meter and this side is 5 meter. To find out the distance, we have to find out the perimeter. So this distance is 5 meter and this distance is 6 meter, and addition of this is 11 meter. So she will crawl 11 meter to reach point B. So here D is correct answer. Question number 25. For a project, Simi cut a piece of paper into a shape with 4 sides, but none of them are of the same length. What is the shape of the paper? Rectangular. The alternate sides are same. Quadrilateral have 4 sides and they are unequal length. So B is correct answer. And square, all sides have same length. And pentagon, there are 5 sides. So here B is correct answer. Next section is achiever section. Question number 26. The given figure made up of 6 identical squares. The perimeter of figure is 126 cm. What is the length of each side of the square? For perimeter, we add the each side. If this one side is, we take it as x. This is 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x, 9x, 10x, 11x, 12x, 13x and 14x. So 14x is equal to perimeter. Perimeter is 126. So x is equal to 126 divided by 14. X is equal to 9. 14 ones are 14, 14 nines are 126. So the length of each side is 9 cm. Here B is correct answer. Question number 27. How many of the following figures are symmetrical? Symmetrical means if we make two parts of the figure, the part should be exactly similar. Here this line of symmetry. So here all figure having line of symmetry. So C is correct answer. Question number 28. The given figure is obtained by placing a rectangular on the top of another identical rectangle. The length of rectangle is 5 cm. Means this side 5 cm and breadth is 2 cm. And here this is 2 cm. Here also this is 2 cm and this one is 5 cm. Now we find out the perimeter of this figure. So we take this and this. Okay, this will be 5 cm. This side and this side. This also 5 cm. Now this side and this side. This also 5 cm. Now remaining this side and this side. This 5 cm. So we covered all the sides. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. So perimeter is 20 cm. A is correct answer. Question number 29. Each of the figure below is made up of 2 cm identical squares. Which one of figure has the greatest perimeter? Now we check first one, A. This length is 2 cm. So 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, plus 2, 18, plus 2, 20, 22 and 24. So perimeter of A is 24 cm. Option B, we start with 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 plus 2, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. The perimeter of B is 28. Now we check C. Perimeter, this 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32 and 34. Here perimeter is 34. Now last one D. This 2, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. Now here the option C has the greatest perimeter, so C is correct answer. Question number 30. The given figure is made up of the rectangle, square and triangle. Find the perimeter of the figure. Now this middle is square, so all sides are equal. So this side also 9 centimeter, this also 9 and this also 9. And this whole 4 plus 9, 13 plus 5, 18. So this side is equal to this side. So this side is 7. So here also 7. Now we find out the perimeter. This 7 plus 5 plus this 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 9 plus this 4, this 7 and this 18. So it is equal to 86 centimeter. So here D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.
Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.